Alright, here I am out here on the Kiptopeke State Park, out by the concrete ships, out here in the canoe. Yeah. Look at this water out here. Lord. Not too bad. If I can see Rebecca back here. Oh, she's back here somewhere. I don't know where she is. There she is back here on the shore. Hey, honey. Okay, here we are. In the canoe. Woo. Rocking gently in the waves. These are World War II concrete ships. Forming like a barrier to keep the water a little calmer in here. Got boats out here too and stuff. Alright. That's it. Okay, we made it out to the ships, concrete ships. Here they are. All the way out to there. Rebecca's back there somewhere. Over in the shoulder view here. See these waves here. And here's the ships. People over here fishing. I'm the only canoe out here. Only crazy enough to come out here on a canoe. Hey, you know. Alright. This is pretty cool. You got a birdhouse up there. Alright, here we go. Out here on the canoe. Whoa! Okay, we gotta get back to work here. Later. Alright, here we go. This is World War II ships, concrete ships. Down there, all the way down. There's 9 of them altogether. There's the shore back there. Oh, Rebecca's somewhere down there. Oh yeah. Look at this sucker right here, man. Hope we don't go in.